That's right, together in our knitted world, A, B, C, let's go! A, B, C, let's go! A is for ambulance, here to aid. B is for bus, soft and well-made. C is for car, driving so far. D is for dump truck, carrying a jar. Rumble. E is for excavator, digging the ground. Dig, dig, dig. F is for fire truck, driving around. Woo, woo, woo. G is for garbage truck, cleaning the street. Crunch, crunch. H is for helicopter, oh so sweet. Chop, chop.
I is for ice cream truck, a yummy treat. Yum, yum. J is for jet, flying so fleet. Whoosh. K is for kayak, on the river blue.
Splash, splash.
L is for locomotive.
Choo, 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 choo. So many vehicles made of wool, soft and cuddly, colorful and cool. Driving, flying, sailing away. Let's learn our letters. Hip, hip, hooray! M is for motorcycle, zooming away. N is for narrow boat,
On a sunny day.
toot, toot. O is for off-road jeep, bumps on the track. Bump, bump, bump. P is for police car, front
And back.
wee woo.
Q is for quad bike.
Four wheels to ride.
R is for rocket, to the stars we glide.
S is for submarine,
Deep in the sea.
bubble, bubble. T is for taxi,
For you and me.
beep, beep. U is for unicycle, one wheel turns round. Wobble, wobble. V is for van, moving through town. Honk, honk. W is for wrecker, pulling a load. Pull, pull, pull. X is for X-ray truck, on the road. Y is for yacht, sailing the bay. Z is for zeppelin,